Hello everyone, Daja Hao. Welcome back to Lindsay Chinese Online. I'm your teacher, Wang Lao Shi. Wang Lao Shi. And that's Teacher Wang in Chinese. Have you ever said a Chinese word to someone and they looked at you completely confused? Even though you're sure you said it correctly. That's probably because of tones. In Chinese, how you say a word is just as important as what you say. So in this video, I'm going to show you how tones work. And by the end of this video, you should be able to pronounce them correctly. In the previous lessons, we covered the Chinese alphabet. So we looked at the consonants and we looked at the vowels. So if you've missed those videos, after this one, you can go back and check those out. So now we are going to be putting the consonants and the vowels together to form syllables. Now, it is important to note that every Chinese syllable carries a tone, even when you don't see a tone mark. And that is because without tones, you'll end up saying things you don't mean or things you don't even want to say. All right, so let's get right into the lesson. Chinese is a tonal language. That means pitch changes the meaning of words. Now, let's take, for example, the sound of ba, ba. Depending on the tone, it can mean one of several things. So for the first tone, ba, that means 8, the number 8. For the second tone, ba, that means to pull out, like pulling out a carrot from the ground. For the third tone, ba, that means handle, like a door handle. And then for the fourth tone, we have ba, which refers to father. Now there's also a neutral tone, ba, and that's normally used at the end of sentences to indicate a suggestion. But we'll get more into it later. So here we see the same spelling, but completely different meanings, all because of the tones. So yes, tones really matter in Chinese. And in summary, Chinese has 4 main tones and 1 neutral tone. And now we're going to look at them one by one. So let's look at the first tone. The first tone is flat and steady, like you're singing a note. Say it like this. Ba, ba. You should keep your voice high and even, kind of like how we tend to say the word beep in our normal voice. Beep, beep. We say ba, ba. Very good. Now let's move on to the second tone. The second tone rises like you're asking a question. For example, what? What? So let's apply it to ba. Ba, ba. You can also use your finger movement to help you remember the tone mark. Ba, ba. And you can also use your head movement to help you. Ba, ba. Very good. And that's the second tone. Now for the third tone, it can be a bit more tricky because it goes down then up. And again, the tone marks are written from left to right. So we would say ba, ba, and you tend to feel your throat vibrating. Ba, going down and up. Ba, and for the head movement, ba, ba. And that's it for the third tone. Now the fourth tone, this tone falls quickly and sharply, like you're giving a stern command. It starts high and drops sharply. So let's practice. Ba, ba. For the hand movement, ba, ba. And for the head movement, ba, ba. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to the neutral tone, which is not considered one of the main tones, mainly because it doesn't carry a tone mark. It is normally soft and light. So let's practice. Ba, ba, ba. Very good. Now we're going to practice all four tones together, and you can use your hand movements, which will help with remembering the tone marks when reading and writing the pinyin. Now let's get into it. Repeat after me. Ba, 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 ba. Very good. Now, before we go, I just want to leave a few reminders with you. 1. Never ignore the tone marks. Why? Because they change meanings. 2. Don't overcomplicate the third tone. And 3. Practice to listen and imitate. The more you listen to the different tones, the easier it will become for you to reproduce it, because your ear and your listening will improve over time. So if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and keep practicing. And I'll see you in the next lesson. 再见.